family. Hello, family. Hello. Hi, my name is High Priestess ISHERA, and today is an unboxing. 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 Yeah, it's an unboxing today. Super geeked. Today's unboxing is from a store that I encountered on Facebook, and it is called Sisters. It's called Sacred Sisters Worldwide. Sacred Sisters Worldwide. I believe this is what I've been waiting for. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of Sacred Sisters Worldwide's purchase. Sacred Sisters. Okay, packaging. Packaging. Phenomenal, ladies. You guys, let me tell you something. Here in beautiful Hawaii, there's always an issue with my packages, and they're pretty rough with my packages by the time they get on island, because I have sometimes family sending me stuff, things of that nature, and literally packages get really abused, but they wrap this pretty good. Let's see what the inside woo, 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 inside has in store. Sacred Sisters Facebook purchase. So if you were looking for a video regarding this particular item, and I guess maybe you wanted to know about their packaging is pretty good. And, oh, okay, I'm sorry. Hi, everyone. My name is High Priestess ISHERA. Feel free to check my business page at TOA on Facebook, which is Tantric Temple of Alchemy, and also conveniently located at Tantra Temple of Alchemy, helping cosmic families connecting on multiple levels. Yes, multidimensionally, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. All right, you guys, the packaging. The packaging, I am impressed with the packaging. Go Sacred Sisters Worldwide! Ooh, I'm excited. All right, you want to see how the product is? Fast forward if you want to, but I want to make sure I leave a detailed video for the people watching this, for anyone looking to purchase a Sacred Sister item. I'm not going to even tell you guys what it is. I'm just going to go right in and get into it. And right now I am in school completing another initiation, but I had to, oh my goodness, the vibes coming off this thing is so, makes me want to rock it to sleep. So it's telling me definitely good vibes from where they pack the item, because I just want to touch it. And it is so beautifully handcrafted. Look, when I fell on Sacred Sisters Worldwide Facebook website, I was very, very leery. Very, very leery. As a high priestess, I've seen it and done it all. And I was very leery, but when I saw the pictures and the type of stone, because when you're dealing with magic, you're dealing with particular stones and things of that nature, and they had the stone that I was looking for. I'm still not going to tell you what it is. You're just going to have to either fast forward or watch this whole unboxing. Look at this, you guys. Look at this stand. This stand is beautiful. This stand is beautiful. Outside of that one faux pas right there, which really doesn't matter to me, still beautiful. Beautiful stand. Beautiful stand. Ooh, super excited. Super excited, you guys. Can you see my excitement right now. Oh my God. Beautiful, beautiful. I have to give it to you guys. Your packaging on making sure that I get my product safe and sound without any defects is a beautiful thing. Is a beautiful thing. Oh my God. Okay, we cutting right through this, Ishira. We cutting right through this, right through this. They wrapped it so good. I started from the top, and I'm just gonna cut right through it, all the way across, right on the top. I love the fact that I don't, again, I don't know if they did this on purpose, but what I love, Sacred Sisters Worldwide, is I love the fact that you sent me a circle within a fucking square. Woo! Google it, boys and girls, if you don't know what I'm talking about. I want to focus on the review and not on, oh, you guys, please feel free to check out many of my plethora of videos located on Facebook, located on YouTube at HP Life Coach Healing, and also um, Ishira Sadi HP. I purchase. What size is this, you guys? They tell me what size, and they had paneling on the inside, which is beautiful. This is they had all the information on the box, you guys. Wow. Packaging 4 stars, Sacred Sisters Worldwide. Packaging 4 freaking stars from me, High Priestess Ishira. You guys, the box says this is their 10 cm. I don't, 10 or 60. It says 10 on the box. This is the cutest thing. The cutest thing. Oh my God. This is, boys and girls, can you tell me what type of crystal ball this is? Boys and girls, can you tell me what type of crystal ball this is? This is, obsidian. 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 Sacred Sisters, this is beautiful. Sacred Sisters, this is beautiful. It's beautiful. You guys, how beautiful. Let me show you. How beautiful is this? Sacred Sisters Worldwide. I'm geeked, yo. I'm about to call to one of my clients. Y'all about to get a free reading. To one of my clients, you're about to get a free reading. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. I'm super excited about this. They said this is the 10 cm. If I'm reading the box correctly, 10 cm. But I don't remember seeing a 10 cm size crystal ball on the page. But I have another box, so we have something else to open. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Sacred Sisters Worldwide. If you wanted to see this particular item, or if you wanted to check out um, the uh, the packaging process that this company used. I would say 4 stars worldwide when it comes to packing, when it comes to the item quality, when it comes to the item quality. Excuse me, you guys. Listen, I'm so excited about this video that right now, as I'm recording it, it has a little delay. So I'm watching me speak, but I'm watching the film like delayed 2 to 3 seconds. Okay. Okay. I think I understand now. What is this? And because of I gotta send a shout out. Sacred Sisters, I knew you guys were a new company, and I really was excited about the item as soon as I saw it. And like I messaged you, when I was ready for the purchase, I would call you back for the purchase. And I'm so glad I did. Another beautifully made. I guess they all have that one divot mark, I guess. It's a beautiful, beautiful stand. It's a beautiful stand. It's a beautiful, beautiful stand. Beautiful stand. Okay. What size does this one say? Okay. We have a problem. Okay, that's what it is. All right, I have to take points off, you guys. I have to take points off because what I paid for was 100 cm crystal ball. 100 cm crystal ball. And I guess they gave me 2 smaller versions as an alternate, but you would think the store would call me first to see if that was okay. Because I paid for 100 cm ball, which was their biggest ball. I'm presuming they didn't have it, but as a client, they should have called me to see if it was okay. So now I have to pack everything back up and send them back their items so I can get my 100 cm because that's what I wanted. If I wanted 2 smaller crystal balls, I would have purchased 2 smaller ones. I wanted the 100 cm. So this has to go back to its owner. But at least I was able to do a video real quick. So you gotta buyer beware. Buyer beware. But please keep in tune because once I get the correct item, I will be doing reviews etherically, how I felt about the item, how I worked with it, things of that nature. But these have to go back because now I remember, I requested the 100 cm, the 100 cm ball. These are the much smaller ones. So buyer beware. If you're going to purchase from this company, make sure you're not like me and get the wrong thing. Listen, I guess we all can't be perfect. It's all good. I'm glad they have the option, but if you don't have the option that I'm requesting, I feel like you should call me to see if I want my money back or do I want an alternate item, Because if you would have called me and told me we don't have CMs, do you want 2 smaller ones? I would have told you no and just give me my money back because I wanted the large ones. And there was a reason why I needed it that way. Okay, this is the same size. It's the same size. It's the same size. There was a specific reason why I requested the 100 cm. It was a major reason why. And now that I don't have the 100, I'm kind of annoyed because it was a major reason why I wanted the bigger one. The bigger one would have been so much better. So much fucking better. I remember her saying to me during communication that she didn't have the 200 because I wanted the 200. Because on their website, you guys, FYI, on their website, they have pictures of a 200 cm crystal ball, a 200 cm crystal ball. And that's the one I actually, because I know the business, so I literally called them first before I made the purchase and requested to see if they had the 200 in stock. And they didn't have the 200 in stock. So they said all they had was the 100. And they sent me a picture of the 100, which I think is another size bigger than this, or two sizes bigger than this, because from the pictures they showed you three different sizes. But one of the single pictures that they have on their website, it's a picture of a 200 cm crystal ball, not the ones that they're selling. So when I found out I wanted the 100, they said they would send me the 100, but I got two smaller ones instead. All right. This should not be a problem to fix. Sacred Sisters Worldwide shouldn't have any problems with fixing this problem. I'm going to go talk to them, see what's going on, see if I'll be paying for the shipping or they'll be paying for the shipping for me to return these to get my 100. So just keep in mind, it is a new store. It is a new vendor on Facebook because I was not familiar with it when I first started communication with them. The items are beautiful. As you can see, the items are definitely beautiful, but I did not receive what I requested. Did not receive what I requested. So I will keep you guys, in tune with what's going on with the situations, and check out my future videos talking about my items, how I use them with my clients, and the energy that I get from the particular items. I wanted to share my unboxing of the obsidian crystal ball, the obsidian crystal balls. I really wanted that 200, but they didn't have the 200 in stock. That's why I purchased the 100, but I got two smaller ones instead. All right. While I deal with this, you guys, this has been my quick unboxing of a store that I dealt with called Sacred Sisters Worldwide on Facebook. And I purchased obsidian crystal balls with stands. All right, remember, everything can't be perfect, and if it's not, try your best to get to as perfection as you can. Because this is not perfection. I paid for 100 cm, 100 cm, and they sent me these two. Okay. Thank you so much for listening, you guys. Thanks you so much for watching. If you were looking for a quick review regarding Sacred Sisters Worldwide, you found the right video. I hope it was helpful, and I will speak to you soon. Check out my metaphysical videos on YouTube at HP Life Coach Healing, my nonprofit Mama's Family Circle, my private business page, my private YouTube page at I Am ISHERA, and my metaphysical occult page through Life Coach Healing HP at ISHERA HP, or I should say High Priestess ISHERA. High Priestess ISHERA. Like, subscribe, and thanks for listening. Bye, you guys.